Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we have a job update from Google and the job role is Customer Solution Engineer. Now let's see about the minimum qualification. You should have a bachelor's degree in computer science or related technical subject or equivalent practical experience. Also, you should have experience with web technologies like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and HTTP, and experience with database query and optimization. You should have the experience in one or more programming languages like Java, C++, and Python. And you should have the experience working with and managing external partner and customer. Now, let's see the preferred qualification for this role. You should have a master's degree in computer science or related field or MBA degree. You should have a customer facing experience in sales, sales engineering, consulting or related function, and experience in online advertising industry and great communication skill, ability to adapt your message to the technical level of the audience, and comfort presenting technical materials to group of any size and background. And you should have a excellent problem solving and troubleshooting skill and excellent project management skill and attention to detail. The job locations are Mumbai, Bangalore, and Gurugram. We will give the apply link in the description, and if you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe and share it to your friends.